In this video, I will compare Moomoo and eToro to help you decide which platform is best for trading stocks, ETFs and other assets. I will go over their fees, features, trading tools and overall user experience so you can choose the right one for your investment needs. And I have been using both platforms for about 3 years now, so I'm really sure that I can tell you everything that you need to know. And let's start off with the trading and the features. So Moomoo has a commission fee trading platform with advanced charting tools, real-time data and AI-powered insights. It is best for active traders who need detailed analytics. eToro, on the other hand, is a social trading platform offering stocks, ETFs, crypto and copy trading. Ideal for beginners and those looking to follow expert traders. And what about the fees and the costs? Well, Moomoo offers zero commission stock and ETF trading, but charges fees for options and margin trading. But it is saying lower fees, more potential, so the main focus of Moomoo is on having the lowest fees, but they do charge fees for options and margin trading. eToro uses a spread-based model with zero commission on stocks, but charges a withdrawal fee and inactivity fee. So that is something that you need to be aware of. And then the user experience and tools. Moomoo is best for technical traders, offering customizable charts, AI-powered alerts, and detailed market analysis. While eToro, on the other hand, is best for social traders, allowing users to copy professional investors and invest in both stocks and crypto easily. And let's make a final verdict on Moomoo and eToro. I would say the best for active traders and advanced tools, Moomoo is the one that you should pick. And if you want the best for social trading and crypto exposure, eToro is the best fit for you, based on my experience, of course. So summarized, if you prefer advanced trading tools and real-time data, Moomoo is the better option. But if you want a simple social trading experience with diverse assets, eToro is the way to go. And let me know in the comments which one you prefer, eToro or Moomoo. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates.